So that's how, this is a waveform. So this will be, that's why in music, different instrument would have the different waveform. It is the structure or the appearance or the structure of the waveform itself that gives us what we call the timbre in music, in musical instrument, no? Timbre. The sound of the guitar is different than that of the piano, although they can give the same frequency. Why is that? Well, physically, it's because they have different oscillators. Oscillators is the cause of the vibration and the nature of that. Okay? For example, for a simple harmonic oscillator, a mass spring system with a constant and a linear oscillator, you will get this waveform, right? But if our oscillator is different, like for example, it has some non-linearity to it, we add such that the force here is not only kx, but some function of x, and not a linear function of x. So this would cause that maybe to oscillate this way, no? Instead of this. Okay? So that's also why we sound different. My voice is different from your voice. Okay? Women's voice are different from men's voice. Okay? It's because the nature there is sa atong throat, no? Sa ano, these are our oscillators here. So also your physiology gives rise to your unsay klase sa oscillator na dira sa imong throat. And that oscillator would vibrate in a given waveform. That's why twins would sound exactly the same. Tama? For as long as they pare-pareho sila ginabuhat, no? Maybe after some time one twin would sound different from the other, pero you can hear the similarities in their voice. Kay totally halos pareho sila sa ilang oscillator. Unless na siguro grabe ka major ang mahitabo dira. Okay? So for example, piano, guitar, violin, they have different oscillators. So they will have different waveforms, but they can reach the same frequencies. Now, what I want you to do is if what differs, if the difference from one instrument to another, no, one type of sound to another, is because of the waveform. Now, I want you to synthesize a sound. And by synthesis, sound synthesis, that's why we have what we call these synthesizers, no? Because these synthesizers, what they do is they modify waveforms. You can start with a sine wave and modify the waveforms of the sine wave, and it would sound differently. Add some what they call this one, signal processing to it. So after some time, the source sine wave, and usually the source is sine wave, would sound very different. So what you will do is we synthesize a sound by recording something. Whatever is that sound, it could be kana siya, it could be the bark of a dog, the meow of a cat, or whatever, the voice of your loved one, or whatever unsay kanang kuhaan ninyo og source, no? Sound. Now, of course, that sound will have this, let's say the full wavelength of the sound is like this. Okay? This is your recorded sound from beginning to end. Just subtract sa katong hilom na gyud nga di na madunggan, no? Like katong nalay audible. You can cut that one somewhere. Okay. Now, of course, this is a blank. If you put this, let's say Audacity or any digital audio workstation, you will see this waveform. And you can see this axis as the time axis. And this is, of course, makita ninyo. Now, what you will do is, this is a different, maybe this is of different frequencies, and I mean, here the frequency is different, here the frequency is different. Pwede na siya nga sound na, no? So lain-lain siya frequency, no? It starts with low, starts in low, like kana. That recording, that one sound here, for example, mo ni siya nga tingog, no? This one. I'm sorry, I'm not a singer, no? Oh. So, okay. So low dire and then it goes to high. So higher, we have a higher frequency here. So this is a mixture of low and high frequencies all throughout. No, like for example, the average frequency dire kay lahi here. It could be that, or it could be one single frequency, like or hinay lang ang ano. Pwede na siya may tabo. Whatever sound that one is. But out of this, we synthesize the sound from this wave. What we are going to do is compress this. Let's make this as our one cycle. So you now have one cycle as that. Let's say this is the waveform. Compress that. Let's say the original length is this. You have to compress that such that, okay, you're going to multiply this. Ipilit-pilit niyo, no? Adjust it to one another. Just copy and paste. Such that for exactly 1 second, you get an equivalent frequency. Let's say 440 hertz for A4. Now, I want you to do this. We will not do A4. We are going to do C4, E4, and G4. Find the corresponding frequencies of this. I'm not so sure. I think if this is maybe 252, I'm not so sure. Around Ana. Let's say 252. Meaning that to reproduce this, you have 252 of this in 1 second. Now, this will have a higher frequency, so ang compression niyo, so mas ana siya. What is this CEG? This is if we are going to combine that one together, put it side by side in a digital audio workstation, you will hear the chord C major. This is the C major triad. Now, of course, we can execute a C major triad with a guitar, with a piano, with an organ, or whatever sound. Now, let's hear what would it sound like sa inyong synthesized nga sound. So this sound now will be very unique. It may sound like something. It may sound like similar to something. It may have that kind of sound. We don't know what would that be. It will depend on the type of oscillators. And your oscillator is actually katong inyong gi-record ana nga inyong gi-compress. So it's like having that kind of oscillator of that instrument that oscillates like this. But if this is repeated, let's say 440 times, then the tone, the note that we hear, the pitch that we are going to hear is A4. No? So that will be your activity.